Hello viewers, today in this video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. First of all, go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. This will load your news feed if you are already logged into your Facebook. Click the search field at the top of the window. Type the name of your friend you want to block and press enter. A list of Facebook profiles will be displayed in the browser window. Click the profile picture of the friend you want to block. Click horizontal three dots. It's the right of the profile picture next to message. Click block. Click confirm. The person you block will automatically be unfriended and will not be able to contact you via Facebook or Messenger. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.